Welcome back to the channel. Once again, we have a Leica video today. So I made some videos about the Leica Deluxe and made some videos about the Leica X and Leica Q and Leica Q2. So I've had a number of Leicas over the years, and as always, the quality of the cameras is great, but there are other things that Leica lacks, and progressively over the years they keep getting worse instead of getting better. So we all know that Leica cameras are great for photography. They've added the video functionality because many other cameras, actually every other competitor, is providing video capability. They went up to HD and then moved into 4K recently with the Q2, and I think the Deluxe had 4K, I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember. Anyhow, in the past, when you bought a Leica camera, you would get a CD with Adobe Photoshop or some kind of image editing software. So you'd get a license forever, perpetual license for free, because you were paying a lot of money for the camera. Then that disappeared. I think you started to get a subscription, and that was for 3 months or something. Now this time I bought this Leica Q2, which is nearly a $5,000 camera, but it didn't come with any imaging software. And I thought, okay, you know, Adobe are putting their licenses in a different way. Instead of giving a license, they're charging for subscriptions, so the deal with Leica may not have worked out. Anyhow, the previous Leica cameras, they all had various types of little basic, and I cannot stress enough on the word basic, software that allowed you to remotely control the camera. Some of them, not all of them. So the Leica Q, you could enable the Wi-Fi on the camera directly, and you could link your phone and then launch the app and do certain things. With the new software upgrade and firmware upgrade, they took away that functionality, so now you can only activate the Wi-Fi using the Leica Fotos app. That was a pain. I was hoping that it would continue to work. In the previous app, you could remotely enable the video recording from your Leica Fotos app. Then I had a discussion with Leica. They invited me to their London office and asked me millions of questions about what I think and how I use the software, and I was like, oh, this is great. They're getting customer feedback and they're going to improve the app. Guess what they did? They stripped the key functionality out of the app and split it into two. Somehow Leica has now thought, oh, let's jump on this bandwagon. Everyone is charging subscriptions. We've already charged $5,000 for this camera. How can we squeeze a bit more money out of our customers? So let's sell this app for a subscription. Okay, Leica, you are not providing any functionality that's over and above every competitor you have in the marketplace. So before you become a software developer and start charging money for it, go back to the initial way you run a business. It's about adding value, providing something that is of value to the customers. If you were providing a storage functionality with the Leica Fotos app, if you were providing an amazing editing software tool like Adobe does, then it would make sense to charge for a subscription. But in the past, I could enable video from the same app for free. Now you've taken that out. You're charging $60 or $70 a year just so we can use the app to press a button and allow the camera to record videos. Shame on you, seriously. You're not a little cowboy company that started yesterday. You have heritage and you have a massive following of customers, yet you are going and doing these childish, trivial things. Obviously, this idea came up from someone in your product development, software development team who said, oh, you're paying money to build this software, let's monetize it, let's do something. Seriously guys, you're charging through the nose for cameras. Yes, they're the best cameras possibly, but all the other brands are giving software for free that provides amazing functionality. I can build the software that you've built using my developers and the people that I use for under $5,000. And it will have more functionality and it will work amazingly, and it's a one-off cost. You can maintain the software with a developer somewhere. I know where you use your developers in offshore locations for a lot less. All they have to do is just add some functionality and features. It doesn't cost you so much money that you have to charge customers for using the app while all your competitors are giving it away for free. This is ridiculous. I mean, it's not so much about the money, it's about the fact that you're charging us something that has no value except the ability to click the button and start the video recording, which was free in the past. So you split that and you're now charging for it, and not charging £5 a year, you're charging £49 a year. It's ridiculous. We're paying enough for the cameras. We don't need to now pay for every tiny bit of additional functionality that you add to the software. Might as well just delete the app. Do what you did in the past. Have just backward cameras. It's just annoying that everyone these days wants to make money and fleece their customers instead of caring about the customers and understanding what your core value is. What is your core business? Your core business is cameras. It's not creating software. If you're a software business, then create some software that's amazing like Adobe, so people will pay for a subscription. Anyway, I thought I should make this video because the last few videos I made about Leicas were quite popular and had a lot of views. So hopefully more people will watch this, and hopefully each one of you, if you send one email to Leica saying this is ridiculous, hopefully they'll change their mind. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Leicas.